So this is just a test flight using the DJi Neo 2 in its automatic mode, and this is just with manual control going over the beautiful beach of the South Beach in Lowestoft in Suffolk. All I've done here is just flown the drone. There's no fancy settings or anything like that. It's just as it is, straight up, flying around, and these are the results. So hopefully you found it useful. If there's anything you need to know about settings, just leave a note in the comments below and I'll hopefully try and answer them for you.